Your front door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, improves energy efficiency, and plays a big role in curb appeal. In Conway, where weather shifts from hot, humid summers to chilly winters, an aging entry door can quietly cause problems long before it completely fails. If you're wondering whether it's time for an upgrade, here are the most common signs your old entry door may be due for replacement. Drafts and rising energy bills. If you feel air sneaking in around your door or notice certain rooms are harder to keep comfortable, your entry door could be the culprit. Over time, doors can warp, seals can wear out, and gaps can form. This allows outside air to move freely in and out of your home, forcing your heating and cooling system to work harder. In Conway's fluctuating climate, this can quickly lead to higher energy bills and uneven indoor temperatures. Visible damage or warping cracks, dents, peeling finishes, or warped panels aren't just cosmetic issues, they're signs your door may no longer be structurally sound. Wooden doors are especially vulnerable to moisture and temperature changes, which can cause swelling or splitting. If your door looks worn or misshapen, replacement is often more cost-effective than ongoing repairs. Difficulty opening or closing. Does your door stick, scrape the floor, or refuse to latch properly? These issues usually point to warping, foundation shifts, or frame problems. While small adjustments might help temporarily, persistent difficulty opening or closing your door often signals deeper issues that replacement can fully resolve. Outdated style hurting curb appeal. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated or faded door can make the entire exterior feel tired, even if the rest of the house is well maintained. Replacing your entry door is one of the easiest ways to instantly refresh your home's appearance and boost curb appeal, especially important if you're thinking about selling in the future. Increased noise from outside. If street noise, neighbors, or passing traffic seem louder than they used to be, your door may no longer be providing proper insulation. Modern entry doors are designed with better sound dampening materials, helping create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. Security concerns. Older doors often lack modern security features. Worn locks, soft materials, or weak frames can make your home more vulnerable. New entry doors offer stronger cores, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems that provide better protection and peace of mind for Conway homeowners. Moisture or water damage. Signs of moisture, such as soft spots, bubbling paint, mold, or mildew, are red flags. Water intrusion can lead to structural damage, flooring issues, and even indoor air quality problems. A new, properly installed entry door helps keep moisture out and protects the rest of your home. 8. You're constantly repairing it. If you've repainted, resealed, adjusted hinges, or replaced hardware multiple times and problems keep coming back, replacement may be the smarter long-term solution. A new door eliminates recurring maintenance headaches and provides reliable performance for years to come. A smart upgrade for Conway homes. Replacing your entry door is an investment that pays off in comfort, security, energy efficiency, and visual appeal. Whether your current door is showing clear damage or simply no longer meets your needs, upgrading to a modern entry door can make a noticeable difference in how your home looks and feels. If several of these signs sound familiar, it may be time to consider a new entry door that's better suited for your Conway home and lifestyle.